to run a successful cleaning business. I get it. Following orders, sucking up to your superiors, and working a 9-to-5 job can get you old really fast. And don't even get me started on the pay. Everyone wants to move up the ladder. You can't really blame them. If you were to go out right now and ask the first few people you meet on the street if they think they're getting paid what they deserve, you are almost guaranteed to get a couple of negative answers. The reason for this is quite simple. We are just hardwired that way. We need to succeed. We need to accomplish noteworthy things in order to feel satisfied with ourselves. And what is the best? Most sure there is a way to do that. It is by starting your own business from the ground up, by seeing it grow and flourish in front of your eyes, and knowing that all of this is happening as a result of your honest efforts and unwavering determination. Why this platform? Why this website? My name is Antoaneta Tsocheva. I'm a self-made businesswoman and a leader of successful London-based cleaning company called FastKlean. But I wasn't always a business leader. At first, I wasn't any better off than you. As a matter of fact, I'm willing to bet that I was in a much worse situation. I arrived in London in 2001 with no understanding of the English language and barely any money to my name. I had to start at the very bottom, working as a part-time bartender and a private cleaner and a nanny just to make ends meet. Eventually, however, my knowledge grew and so did my ambition. I realized that I can do much more than just take orders or clean apartments. Getting my first business off the ground wasn't easy at all. Despite all that I had learned, I wasn't prepared for the initial disorder related to setting up a successful cleaning business. I only had a very little idea of how to get clients, run my team, or organize tasks. But I didn't let that hold me back. Even though a considerable chunk of my free time, or rather of my free time, I managed to get my business up and running. It wasn't until I finally got my website up and running back in 2003. However, this is when the clients start coming in. Now, many years later, my business is still going very strong. I'm now the proud leader of one of London's most innovative and professional cleaning companies, backed up by over 250 cleaners and 20 management administration team. One thing, however, hasn't changed. To this very day, I'm still learning new things about being a business leader, and I don't see this changing anytime soon. There is always something new to learn, just around the corner. But just because I had to go through all of that on my own, doesn't mean you have to. And that is precisely why I've made this website, to offer my knowledge and advice to everyone looking to start their own business. And what I can teach you, my long years in the field have taught me a great deal of things about leadership, business management and network. I can tell you everything about what to do and what you don't need to do, and the best practice for running a cleaning business in the UK or anywhere in the world. My company's list of services extends to domestic and commercial cleaning. We've got one-off cleaning, we've got end of tenancy, we've got after builders, we've got carpet. What about upholstery? We've got window cleaning, we've got oven cleaning, we've got mattress cleaning, hard floor cleaning, patio cleaning, and many more. We've got custom tailored cleaning service, which is really important. Even though all of those fields may sound similar, they all come with their distinctive differences and little quirks. Domestic cleaning, for example, is an excellent field for getting your business started. This is how I started. As there is always plenty of work. For an already established company, however, it can be a tad inefficient, as you have to compete with numerous private contractors just waiting to pounce on your clientele. The commercial cleaning field, on the other hand, is much more stable, and there is plenty clients for you. The clients there tend to look for quality above all else and are highly interested in a long-term, effective contracts rather than quick and inexpensive one-off deals. Let me tell you a little bit about our community. Even though this project has only been active for a couple of months so far, it has already gone a long way, and I'm incredibly proud of our community. Whether you are looking for tips, seeking advice, or just need someone to share your experiences with, our community is always there for you. We will provide you with ideas and support, as well as a wellspring of information on everything related to the cleaning fields. Running your own cleaning business, it's not easy. Let's talk about residential cleaning. Residential cleaning has become one of the fastest growing industries in the UK. Naturally, this has given rise to the demand for domestic help, with over 2.7 million households spending an average of 12 billion per year on household assistance services. Experts foresee the demand doubling over the next few years. This has primarily affected the domestic cleaning field, as most people would much rather spend their free time in leisure centers or focus on their hobbies than deal with household cleaning hassles. And who can blame them? This, however, brings us to our next point. Domestic help is not longer a luxury, it is necessity, and it is a really good health. We live in a world where most people are cash rich but time poor. I bet you heard that many times. The rapid economic growth, relatively stable economy, and decent job security have greatly increased the earnings of the average household. From office workers to business owners, few of us have the time to spend on domestic cleaning tasks. Starting a business all on your own is most certainly a major step, but nothing to be afraid of, especially when backed up by a knowledgeable professional partner capable of guiding you through the basics, and it's us. Choosing us as your partner will allow you to safely and securely lay out the foundations of your business, achieve your first targets, and quickly build up your confidence. You will no longer be an employee working for someone else. The time has come for you to be in charge. Now, you will lead and others will follow. You are about to build and manage your very own professional business establishment. But you don't have to face this challenge alone. Our professional advisors will be with you for every step of the way, ready to answer any questions that you may have and offer their support and guidance. What we offer is an efficient and effective partnership. We've got the ideas, management skills, and passion. We've got an experience and try and tested strategies. Help us to help you build a successful cleaning business. Oh yes, we guarantee clients' homes to be clean to a very high standard. Yes, this is what FastKlean offer to our clients. What we can offer you, experience in the market of over 20 years. And our clients have been served by very highly trained cleaners, vetted and insured. We have spent years developing and improving our business so that it can work in the best professional way. So we can teach you how to grow your business in the same way so you can become a leader in that industry too. And I want to share all my experience with you. We've used our long years in the field, not only perfecting our craft, but also improving the business aspects of our establishment, testing and implementing a wide variety of management and growth strategies. And we are going to pass all this knowledge to you so that your business can grow and flourish as well. So we really hope, I personally, my name is Antonetta, I will underline again, I really hope that you can find exactly what you're looking for in our platform. And if you need anything else, please do not hesitate to get in touch with me personally, to book a private call with me, to book a training with me. So I'm ready, I'm really here to help you grow your own business. So I'll see you soon, and let me know what you think about our courses, and you can join our community too. I'll see you soon.